Hey, what's up guys? Hold on. My girl was not even right. Okay. What's up guys? We're back another banger. And today we are doing a slime video. And we are going to play with this slime. And plus it actually only costs $1. Like what? So I never played with it. So we're gonna check it out right now, and it said it only costs $1, so let's see if it's good or not. Okay, I think y'all can see, right? Okay, I think y'all can see. It just broke in half. Look at that, broken in half. We're gonna stretch it out, we're gonna stretch it out, we're gonna stretch it out. This is what I like to do every time I get slime. I can do this. If I can do something. Yeah, but guys, I love slime. I know y'all love slime, so stop capping. But
thanks, man. I just want to thank you. I'll put my notes for y'all that they don't come down here again. Yep, no problem. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and go down here, man.
oh, look at that.
Look, so the whole thing is, if y'all want me to be around or whatever, let me know where we going. I have no idea.
I'm starting to cleanse it now. I'm sorry. This slime is not that cool because if you stretch it hard, it will break like that. See? Yeah, but let me know in the comments. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. If you don't, that's okay. Just hit the don't hit that though. Don't. Please guys, don't hit that. Now be quiet. So look guys. I'm sure you look at that. Oh my gosh, almost fell off chair. Okay. Do this.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not letting you do that again. Okay. So everyone squish it. Guys, this is what. Hold on. I'm gonna make something. I'll go try my best. Probably can't make a dome. This? Guys, don't laugh at me. This is a dome. Don't laugh at me. I can't make something like that. Yeah, but this is a horrible dome. But you see his thumb right here? You see his thumb? Right here. Oh, slimy can't. Okay, this thumb right here. What's that? Okay, this is. Why is it? Hold on. Here, make it then. Okay, this is all I can do. Got just slowing down, going down. Okay, so we're gonna move it like this. Like this. Okay, like this. And this is what I want y'all to do. Child like button. Ready? Hit it. Like that. That's how I want you to do the like button. Okay? If you don't, from the monster horror movie, The Monster, where the monster hides on your bed and scares you. He hides on your bed and scares you. That movie from the Monster High. No, what did I say that? It's not Monster High. Y'all know I'm talking about the monster thing. But if y'all don't, the monster thing. That monster thing? Guess what? He will go in your closet, and if he's your fan, he will tell you to give me a bat. And when he says give me a bat, you better listen, so he's gonna stuff it right in his mouth. Guys, I know what I'm talking about. But all I know is I want y'all to hit that like button. And if y'all do, I'll keep on making slime videos. Wait. But if y'all do hit the like button, I will do a live and tell me what to do. Only if this get like let's see if we can get 1K. I'm just saying 1K, that's it. That's all I'm asking for. 1K. And I hope y'all like the video.
No, say hi.
Which I know y'all are.
Hi guys.
I'm not done. Maya. Maya. Oh my gosh. And quiet. Now, Mommy says she'll edit out so she can't hear you say hi. Now. Yeah, but guys, hit that like button. Make sure you get to 1K. And if y'all want me to do a live video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you get to 1K. It's 1K, guys. I know y'all can do it. Okay? But without further ado, I'll let y'all see. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, that sucks. Never mind. I will see y'all in the next video. Yo. I say yo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, y'all. Y'all say it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. guys. There's some words I cannot say today. Okay, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, I hope y'all like the video and all that stuff. Make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button like this. Just crush it hard as you can. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
If you don't want to miss anything, hit subscribe. We are the Woodard family.